Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. This month I'll show you how to make the super easy, super simple cucumber sesame salad. So, let's go. Here's what you'll need. You can use sugar if you don't like or don't have maple syrup. Start by slicing the cucumber very thinly. I use 2 medium-sized ones instead of a large one. Place it in a sieve over a bowl, add salt, and set aside for 5 minutes. Gently squeeze out any excess water with your hands. Add the slices to a bowl or a container and combine all the remaining ingredients. Cover and toss it well till combined. Let it rest for 15 minutes at room temperature before serving. And that's it. Let me know in the comments below if you've made this one and how tasty it was. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!